Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we will be discussing about three questions of this question type that came recently in Duolingo English test. So at this stage, what is happening? The listening part. Firstly, you are provided with the question while speaking. They will speak and you have to listen question very carefully. You can play that three times, and after understanding the question, you have to give your answers within 30 to 90 seconds. So the first question is,
Describe a decision that you have taken in your life. Was it a right decision?
so this is the question, and you can repeat it for three times, not more than that. And within three times only, you have to understand what the question is demanding, and after that, you have to give your answer. Now, in this question, what they're asking? They're asking two questions. Describe a decision that you have taken in your life. After that, was that the right decision? So, according to me, the answer will be the decision that I have taken in my life was studying fashion techniques and designs at George Brown College in Canada. This meant moving to a new country and spending 2 to 5 years there alone. And this was quite interesting also and quite exciting also, but there was a bit nervousness also. So why I decided this? Because I think that this would open the doors to me for my future. So due to which I have decided to study in abroad. After that, the next question was that the right decision? According to me, that was a good decision that I have taken because I think that studying fashion techniques would be very fascinating, and I can build up my own business in this field. And moreover, I can build up my career in this, and I can become a blogger or design or style consultant. So due to which I have taken this decision, and according to me, it was the right decision that I have taken. So, moving to the next one, what is the next question? First, you have to listen carefully, after that, you have to speak. So, the question here
Is there any value of studying literature?
so you can repeat it thrice, not more than that. After that, you have to give your answer within 30 to 90 seconds. So, what you can speak in this? Yes, there is a value of studying literature because it improves our reading skills. Instead of this, it opens up the world of inspirations and creativity because when we are reading the literature part or we are studying literature, at that time we are able to know the feelings what the other people wrote in their literature part, because in the literature most of the stories, novels, plays are covered. It also helps to understand the life of other people, different people all over the world, due to which people used to study literature because while studying literature, while reading it, we could come to know the feelings of other people and also a sense of creativity because we can write by our own also. So, if we will read many books, many stories, novels, literature part, then we will understand that and we can also have a sense of writing. So, we can also write anything that could be related to our literature, or we can make our own stories. That is why there is a value of literature. So now let us move to the third question, that is,
What are the reasons why people enjoy gardening?
so the answer will be, we have to give answer in 30 to 90 seconds similarly because we are giving examples. So the reason that we will give here, people enjoy gardening that gives a connection to nature that many people living in big cities do not have. Gardening acts as a therapy when a person is upset or want to chill out in his stressful day or stressful life. And also it is good for our physical health because there are some processes that we have to do while doing gardening, like digging, weeding, and this involves physical activities. And while doing this, a person can be physically fit and fine, and they can lose their fat also, they can have a weight loss. And also gardening is a source of healthy and organic vegetables because when a person do gardening, he grows many different things, organic vegetables that a person consumes, and it gives a great sense of pride that these vegetables are grown by that person. And this is the reason why people like to do gardening a lot. So I hope you understood how you have to give answers to these kinds of questions, but be careful that these kinds of questions are not coming in your Duolingo practice test. This question is coming only in your real Duolingo English test. So be careful, listen to it very properly, and after that give the answer. So this was all for today. Practice well and give your Duolingo English test to get good score. Thank you and have a nice day.